In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add True Strength Index, quick and easy guide. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly get the True Strength Index, or TSI, added to your charting platform and start using it in your analysis. I'll explain what you're doing as you go, so even if you're new to indicators, you'll be able to follow along comfortably. First, make sure you have your chart open on your screen. This can be any market or time frame you like. Once your chart is visible, look towards the top of the platform for the Indicators button. It's usually labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Click on that button. This opens a panel or a pop-up where you can search for and add technical indicators to your chart. If you don't see it at first, move your mouse slowly across the top toolbar until you spot it. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where we'll quickly find the True Strength Index without having to scroll through a long list. Click inside the search box and type the word true. As you type, the platform will automatically filter the results. You should see True Strength Index appear in the list of available indicators. If you only see a few results at first, keep typing until it shows up clearly. Next, in that filtered list, locate True Strength Index and click on it once. As soon as you click, the indicator will be added to your current chart. You'll notice a new panel appear, usually underneath your price chart, with a line or lines representing the TSI. From here, you can hover over the indicator's name to access its settings if you want to customize colors, line thickness, or the default parameters. For most beginners, the default settings are a good starting point, and you can always adjust them later as you become more comfortable with how the indicator behaves. Now that the True Strength Index is added, you're ready to experiment with it in your trading or chart analysis. Finally, if you find the platform useful and you're considering unlocking more features, check out the affiliate link in the video description. Using that link helps support the channel at no additional cost to you and may give you access to extra tools that can enhance your charting experience.